number 7. 9-1. We're in September already. Holy cow. Alright. There it is. Perfect. James Messier. Tim Utz. Yes, they're due actually. Sweeney, we got. Oh, what am I doing? We got Mark. We got Dominic. Diane's in it. Looking for a big hit. Eddie, how you doing? Glenn's in it. Bob. Mike, Corey, Jonas. I'm just tagging people. Mike, Corey, Jonas, Sean, Brett. I think that's it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I got them all. Yep. Alright, Immaculate. Alright, everybody's tagged to it. Fresh case. Picked this up today. I was guaranteed at least 2 more, possibly 3 more, if you want them. So I'll keep it coming until I can't get it anymore. I like this product. Let's see. There is the serial number. Stop it. There we go. Alright, so let's take that one. And then we'll grab that one. And then we'll do that one. And we'll move those over. And we'll do that one in the bottom there, just to split it up. There you go. Mixed it all up. There's your half case. I like to do that, split it all up. So you're not just pulling from the top or pulling from the bottom. Got it all mixed up. Team-wise, Diamondbacks, Carlos Gonzalez. Braves, James Messier. Orioles, Tim Utz. Red Sox, Sean Sweeney. Cubs, Mark Sieber. Diane Quadbaum got the White Sox. She's looking for Luis Robert, which I have yet to pull other than a massive jumbo patch, so he's due. Reds, Eddie Richardson. Indians, Pedro Soto. Rockies, Bob Surtak. Tigers, John Ketteris. Astros, Glenn Richardson. Royals, Pedro Soto. Angels, Dominic Artuso. Dodgers, Mike Kefauver. Marlins, Corey Carell. Brewers, Vince Botticelli, is it? Or Botticelli. Twins, Jonas Goldstein. Mets, Sean Hearn. Yankees, Diane Quattlebaum. Athletics, Eddie Richardson. Welcome, Eddie. Phillies, Brett Ross. Pirates, Jonas Goldstein. Padres, Pedro Soto. Giants, Sean Sweeney. Mariners, Mark Sieber. Cardinals, Bob Surtak. Rays, Adam Neff. Rangers. Yeah, I could probably work that out, considering I have towers up to my ceiling. I'm not even lying to you. It's funny. Where was I? Giants, Sweeney. Mariners, Sieber. Cardinals, Surtak. Rays, Neff. Rangers, Botticelli, is it? I'm going to mess it up until you tell me. Blue Jays, Pedro Soto. Nationals, Pedro Soto. And that is how this half finished. I get the gloves on. I already have all the top loaded stuff ready. I got more coming, don't worry. And I got more triple threads. Oh, let me turn that down. There we go. It's really weird how, like, when I start a break, something either messages me or makes a noise to let me know that the sound's on. It's kind of weird. It literally is every time. Alright, here we go. Half case, number 7. We're in our 4th case. Got more coming. So if you like this product, stick with me. You will be seeing more of it. Alright. And here we go. Yeah, I haven't hit a wit yet either. He's due. I've hit some big ones in this, but just not. Dominguez, Robert. Robert, I got one, but it wasn't an autograph. But I haven't gotten any Dominguez. I haven't gotten any Bobby Witt yet. Maybe tonight's the night. We shall see. There's the seal. There's the other seal. First box. Okay, let me fix this, and this will be my setting up box. Alright, our first one is going to Mookie Betts for the Dodgers. And that is numbered 62 out of 99, jersey card. Mike Kefauver gets the first hit. Next card is he upside down? Yeah, they're all upside down. I'll flip it around. Is Ron Santo, Chicago. That's the Cubs, right? I think it is. Italy in first. Free passes, Chicago. I'm just making sure. I think it is. I'll make sure. 26 out of 49. Ron Santo jersey. Anybody know off the top of your head? It's from 1964. Ron Santo. I'm almost positive he's Cubs. Here comes our first monochrome, and it's a red parallel. San Diego Padres. Ronald Bolanos. Red monochrome. 23 out of 49. Relic silver Sharpie autograph. And that's going to Pedro Soto. They're pretty cool looking cards. Cubs, alright, cool. Yeah, I thought he was. Those pinstripes being in black and white, I was like, could go either way. Alright, so the Cubs get that one. And that's going to be Mark Sieber. And San Diego picked one up. That's going to be Pedro. And then we're going to grab a... Oh, we're going to have another one coming. Monochrome. There's Brennan McKay. Rookie patch auto. 20 out of 99 for Tampa Bay. Was somebody just calling them? I could have sworn I saw somebody just say they need a McKay like a minute ago. And it happened again. They call it out and it appears. Weird. Am I right? Yeah, I think you just did, didn't you? I can't tell you how many times that's happened. And that's going to Adam Neff. Followed by, there you go again, Randy Arozarena, Tampa Bay Rays. Monochrome red parallel. 4 out of 49. Rays again. Back-to-back Rays hits for Adam Neff. There you go. Rays and Rays. And then we've got a cool rookie patch auto for Brock Burke. 96 out of 99. That's a sweet patch. And that's going to Vince. There you go, Vince. Yeah, the Rays, they have been due. It's interesting the difference between cases and what we're pulling. I mean, you see some. I've seen Brock Burke already a couple times, but like, it keeps changing on us. All right, that is box 1. Let's knock out the next one here. All right. All right. There's sealed. There's another sealed. And what are we going to pull? Because I spread it all out throughout the case is how I pull the boxes, so who knows what's going to come out. Now we got a button card starting us off here. There we go. And it's numbered to 8. And it is going to, it is a rookie card as well. Purple. Anthony K. Blue Jays. 1 out of 8 button card. That's pretty cool. There you go, Pedro. We've been pulling all his weird cards. He had that sock card was really cool that we pulled of his. And he had something else that was different. I forget what it was. That's pretty nice. 1 out of 8, Anthony K. Followed by the Rockies, numbered to 5. Larry Walker dual patch, it looks like. That is pretty sweet. Rockies going to Bob Surtak as the last team in the filler. Oh, you hit one already? That'd be cool. Or you need one. I would say that I need one too. And there, oh, look at this one. Cool. We have a nice number to 10, Mike Trout. What is that? That is not a jersey. It looks like the bottom of a shoe, maybe? I'm not sure what that is, but that's a patch up top. Does it say on the back? No. But it's not a jersey. And it's not a patch. That's pretty cool looking. Angels. Dominic Artuso grabbing that one. There you go. That is cool looking. It does look like the bottom of a shoe or a piece of a shoe. Something along those lines. Yeah, you got one now. If only it had an autograph on it, that would be awesome. But you never know. Ah, here we go. What's this? Is that Brendan McKay again? Rookie debut moments, 7 out of 10. And it looks like it might be a tag up there, like a tag and a bat autographed. That's pretty sweet. Brendan McKay again. Adam Neff is cleaning house with the Rays out of nowhere. Because they haven't really been pulled in the first 3 cases that much. I think we only got maybe 2 cards. There you go. Congratulations. And who is this? Look at that one. Prospect Andrew Vaughn. White Sox. There you go, Diane. Patch auto. 9 out of 25. That is a sweet looking card. And you just got his die cut in Sterling as well. So you're picking up some Andrew Vaughn hits. Yeah, it is. It's doing pretty well. And then we're going to follow it up with another one, Diane. Dylan Cease, rookie patch auto. 34 out of 84. Nice. Back-to-back White Sox hits. Both of which I have not pulled yet. There you go. Diane is on the board with the White Sox. And that is the end of box 2. All right. What else are we going to pull? This is interesting. Box 3. There's a seal. There's a seal. Okay. We got one of those special online cards in this one. Blockchain or whatever you want to call it. Alright, first card in the 3rd box. Hey, might as well go to Tampa Bay. Brandon Lowe. 36 out of 49. It's like some kind of a part of a lettering or something. It's got a fuzzy look to it. There's Tampa Bay. And the next one is going to... Oh, there's a cool one coming. Atlanta Braves. Marcell Ozuna. 16 out of 49. Looks like a jersey card. Blue parallel. James Messier grabbing that one. Braves are on the board. And the next card's really cool. Somebody's going to be happy. Who is it? Yes. Somebody's not going to be skunked in a minute. And it's a really cool card. We have Aquino from the Reds. Look at that. It's similar to A.J. Puck, that rookie reserve with 5 relics on it. 16 out of 25. That is sweet looking. Look at that middle patch. That is really nice. Aquino from the Reds, and that's going to Eddie Richardson. There you go, Eddie. There's your first hit. Sweet card. I like that. Now, who do we have here? I thought it was somebody, but it's Matt Thaiss. For a second there, I thought it was Mike Trout. And I was like, what? That's pretty nice. Rookie debut moments. 4 out of 10. Autographed bat, and it looks like a piece of the patch. It's a nice looking patch, too. Number to 10. 4 out of 10. Angels again. Dominic Artuso. Angels were due. We haven't pulled a lot of Angels either. Angels and Rays are making up for lost time. So far, we're not done. And then we've got this cool looking Gavin Lux. What is that called? It's just an autograph patch, it looks like, or autograph lettering maybe. 2 out of 25. Sweet. I've pulled like 3 or 4 of his autographs out of this now. Dodgers. Mike Kefauver getting a Gavin Lux. Sweet. And then we have debut jumbo. Travis Demeritte red. 7 out of 49 autograph jumbo for the Tigers. And that's going to John Ketteris. Tigers showing their face again. There's at least one so far in every case. More than one, actually. And then we have Tony Gonsolin, rookie patch auto for the Dodgers. 52 out of 99. That's a pretty nice looking card, too. Double Dodgers for Mike Kefauver. Never pulled him yet either. His first one. And in blockchain, Jake Fraley. Rookie dual memorabilia signatures. Jake Fraley. I'm trying to think of where he's from. Hold on a second. I'll find him. Jake. By the time I get back, you probably all have it there. Fraley is on the... Looks like the Mariners. Yep. So, there you go, Mariners. Pick one up. Blockchain online card. There you go. And that would be Seba, right? Yep. Okay, and then we're down to box 4. Here we go. That looks thicker than normal. See how it's standing out? Yeah, definitely. There's the seal. There's the seal. What are we going to get in this? It's thicker than normal. I'm going to be careful. It's probably up top. There we go. Yeah, there's a really thick card in here. This one. Good. That is one card, yeah. Jeez. What's that going to be? I have my 360-point top loader right here, so we're good. Magnetic. First card is going to Tim Anderson of the White Sox. There you go, Diane, getting another one. It's a jersey, 21 out of 99. Oh, look at that one. Okay, that's pretty cool. Number 2 out of 8. 2 out of 8. We have a Zach Collins batting glove. Nike swoosh. Chicago White Sox back-to-back. Diane again. Nice. And I've got a nice magnetic that'll fit that perfectly. There you go. Tape that bad boy up and nice card there. Yeah, tonight they are. I mean, this is, what, 7th half case. We haven't gotten many. And here is Vlad Jr. Jumbo for Toronto, 36 out of 49. Vlad Guerrero Jr. That's going to Pedro. What does this next one look like? Okay. I think somebody else is not going to skunk here in a second. And that is going to be... Ooh, we got another ridiculous one coming up. Abraham Toro. Rookie debut moments for Houston. Yep. 72 out of 99. Houston Astros, Glenn Richardson. There you go. Toro. Yeah, that's a nice one, Diane. You got a good one there. We pulled one of them in the first case, I think. It was the Tigers, if I remember right. Jake, maybe it was Jake Rogers. And then here's a ridiculous cool one. All right, you ready? We now have Yordan Alvarez. Clutch, clearly clutch, rookie card auto. Relic, 62 out of 99. There you go, Glenn Richardson. Paid off for you. That's our second Yordan Alvarez. We got the RPA before, now we've got the clearly clutch. I have pulled so many of his autographs this year, it's crazy. Because I went back in time. The Bowman Chrome, and we pulled 2 there. That helped. There you go. So the Astros are on, and then we're going to jump to Josh Rojas. Look at that patch for the Diamondbacks. Rookie patch auto. That is cool. You got a piece of the Diamondback eye. 22 out of 25. Going to Carlos. That's sweet looking. He grabbed the Diamondbacks out of nowhere. Diamondbacks have been pulling lately. At least one in every break for the last 3 or 4. And the one break had 3 of them. But that's pretty cool looking. I like that. And our last card for this half is going to the Mariners. Donnie Walton. 19 out of 49 debut moments, red. Dual relic rookie auto. Seattle Mariners. That's going to be Mark Sieber. Nice. So weird. A lot of the teams that have been skunking actually got hits tonight. Interesting how they do it. Case to case. We got some nice hits in this. All right. What do we got? Recap-wise, there's Donnie Walton, Seattle. Debut moments. We've got an awesome-looking rookie patch auto for Josh Rojas for the Diamondbacks with a cool patch. Yordan Alvarez, clearly clutch rookie card auto relic for the Astros. Abraham Toro, debut moments for the Astros. Yeah, it's weird. Watch, they're going to explode out of nowhere probably in the next half case. Vlad Guerrero Jumbo for Toronto. Got this sick batting glove with the Nike swoosh in it for Zach Collins and the White Sox, number 8. That's pretty cool. We have Tim Anderson, Chicago, jersey card. That's the White Sox. We've got Jake Fraley, blockchain, rookie dual all memorabilia signature card for the Mariners. We got Tony Gonsolin, Dodgers, rookie patch auto. We've got Travis Demeritte, debut jumbo autograph for the Tigers. And there's Gavin Lux, autograph, looks like patch, maybe part of his number. Number to 25 for the Dodgers. Then we got this Matt Face, number to 10, debut moments with a ridiculous patch in it. An autograph on a bat. Then we got this crazy Aquino, rookie reserves, 5 relic patch, wherever it is. It looks really cool for the Reds. Ozuna for the Braves. Looks like a jersey, blue parallel. Same kind of card, Brandon Lowe for Tampa Bay. Then we got Dylan Cease, rookie patch auto, number to 84 for the White Sox. Followed by Andrew Vaughn, prospect patch auto, number to 25 for the White Sox. Then we got Brendan McKay, debut moments with a crazy, this is number to 10 with a, looks like a tag, a bat with an autograph on it. Like a shirt tag of some kind or a jersey tag. And then we've got Mike Trout. I don't know what that is, but it looks like part of a shoe and a patch, number to 10 for the Angels. Then we got Larry Walker, number to 5, dual patch for the Rockies. Then we've got number to 8, Anthony K. button card. That's a purple parallel. And then we've got Brock Burke, rookie patch auto for Texas. We've got Randy Arozarena, monochrome, red parallel, number to 49, silver Sharpie. That's the Rays. Brendan McKay, rookie patch auto, number to 99 for the Rays. And San Diego, Ronald Bolanos, monochrome. That's a red parallel, silver Sharpie, number to 49. Ron Santo, the Cubs, number to 49, jersey. And Mookie Betts of the Dodgers, number to 99, Dodgers. I'm saying things twice now. I'm so tired. Cool. That was nice. Fun break. Crazy stuff. We still have the other half. I'll probably throw that up tomorrow, but probably about the same time. Let everybody get home from work. We'll knock that one out. And we'll see. He said he might have it in by tomorrow, so if he has it in early enough and I can get it, I'll probably be able to get it by lunchtime. Maybe I'll do. Nah, we'll just keep it going. No need to rush them. Maybe we'll try for 2 tomorrow night. Maybe I'll start one a little bit earlier. Everybody's getting the tags from the post, right? Because I'm tagging like 100 people to every post. So hopefully they're getting to you. You are welcome. Thank you, guys. So, yeah, if that's the case and everybody can see it coming in, then maybe we'll try to get 2 knocked out tomorrow. That would be fun. And do a big Immaculate night. We shall see how it plays out. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm up for a little while yet. If you want to message me, if you have any questions or anything, feel free. And have a great rest of the night. Thank you again.